Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add raw table in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add raw to existing table in Publisher. Now select from a table. Now going to the layout option. Now click for insert from above from raw. Now click, then show, add raw table from above. Then again select from table. Now click for layout option. Now click for insert below option. Now click, then select insert below in this table. Then we can see add raw existing table in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for